that juice, boys. You missed the spot, dog. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. Yes, it is LS Fest. It is finally here, you guys. It is Saturday though. We were here yesterday. We kind of were just filling out the whole day. We had a lot of going on. You can see we have, this is what they call like the Auto X course today. We're here this morning. We're two groups. This is more of a late model group with a few classics sprinkled in, and then they have a different group that's over at the autocross right now that will be going this afternoon later to do some autocross. But I'm excited, you guys can see. As a matter of fact, you guys cannot see because maybe you guys watched the Instagram, but the Frankenstein, we finally got it moving. It's moving on its own power. It was a long night, Kale. Wasn't it a long night, bro? Bro, it was crazy, but we finally got it running. It's driving, but still not dialed in. We got to get brakes checked, suspension dialed in, everything. So we got a lot to do still, but we're gonna have fun today. I'm gonna show you guys kind of like an eventful day for LS Fest. Like I said, we're gonna do a couple runs out here. I'll show you guys a couple runs at the autocross and also the drag races, and then we'll maybe watch some drifting, stuff like that. Go check out some cars throughout the day. But you guys don't go anywhere. I'll see you guys in a bit. Thing right there, boy. She's an angel, Floyd. What is up, you guys? We are back over here on this side where everything is going on, man. All kinds of cars going on. The lines are crazy. It's crazy packed. It's super windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's super freaking windy right now. I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna show you guys the Frankenstein. We got the keys. We're gonna start it up for you guys real quick. I'm low on gas, so we'll see what happens. We're over at the PSI booth. My man Bobby, my brother, is on the grill. But let me show you what we got going on. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to hear me because it is crazy windy, you guys. Crazy windy. We got all kinds of cars in the booth. And we also got the Frankenstein. Finally out here, you guys. Running out of juice, boys. We getting ready to run, you guys, the autocross. I don't know if you guys can hear me, man, but it is super freaking windy. 40-mile-an-hour winds, you guys. Crazy wind. But we getting ready to run here in a little bit. We got some freaking cool cars, as you guys can see behind me, man. There's some cool shit out here. But we'll see you guys out there here in a little bit. See how we do. Run these cars. Maybe eat a couple cones. We'll see. What is up, boys? It is the last day of LS Fest. We are at the last event. You guys just saw, we just ran. It's a 3S course. It's basically a down and back, and let's see who the fastest is. So it really also tests your brakes at the end, speed, control, everything. It's pretty fun. Actually, this is probably the funnest event of all of them, I should say. But we're gonna go again here in a little bit. There's a lot going on. It's super windy. I hope you guys can hear me. I mean, look at all the cars that are out here lined up, ready to do this part of the Grand Champion event. Man, there is everything out here. It's pretty cool. Let me go show you guys real quick. I'll show you guys the next set of cars that are gonna be doing this. And then I'll bring you guys back inside on my run. Made it home safe. Ooh-wee. Man, that was a good time, y'all. Frankenstein is back at home. I should say we back at home. What a trip, man. What a trip. Well, I guess it really wasn't a trip, right? We went 15 minutes to the Speedway. But it was such a great time, man. It was so cool meeting a lot of you guys, a lot of the followers, a lot of the subscribers, man. That was awesome meeting you guys once again. Appreciate all the love and support. A lot of you guys bought some merch out there. We had some merch out there as well. Appreciate you guys. If you guys did not get yours at gooseperformance.com. But Holley LS Fest, man, was a blast. This thing is not completely done yet. Like I said, it's barely moving for the most part. We got a lot to do on this thing as far as button up. A lot of little. We got a whole lot of punch lists we got to put together and get this thing dialed in correctly. The CAMARO was a blast, man. Such a good time with the CAMARO. Did its thing. I want to say there was about 96 people that were in our class, in the CAMARO class, the late model class. So we finished about 20, 21 maybe overall in the whole competition, which was not bad, right? Not bad at all, for sure. We did pretty good on that. Got a lot to work with. Still have to figure out the car, dial everything in, not to mention learn the car. I got to learn how to figure out how to take off, really. The drags kicked my butt, man, trying to get that stick to take off the line. But super fun, had a blast. And guys, there's always next year. I really, as a matter of fact, I want to try to make that Kentucky LS Fest. I mean, that's a thought, right? It's all the way out there. It's super, super of a road trip right there for sure. But we got a lot planned, guys, for the channel. Not to mention, to finish this one, we got the Hellcat still to finish. Couple other projects probably going to be coming in as well. And there's one big one. And it's probably the reason why I sold the Chevelle. But I won't go too much into that. You guys got to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. And hit the bell for notifications. And stay wrenching.